be fair, right now, whatever power we're running is the perfect amount of horsepower to match the chassis. Usually I would say something along the lines that this doesn't look stock, but I think this is exactly how a 2JZ should look like, pretty much. And also with the 4-figure numbers of horsepower, because slightly over 1,000, right? When running on E85.
E60, it runs 1027, yep.
Yeah. So, yeah, what's done to this?
So basically, I've owned the car for just coming up to 20 years.
Oh, wow.
And the car runs a fully built, obviously 2JZ GT engine, VVTi. Has a built head as well, 4-inch downpipe, 4-inch straight through exhaust,
wow.
Silencer. Runs 2 fuel pumps in the fuel tank, 525 right at the Hellcat, I believe. Upgraded fuel lines, turbo smart wastegate, turbo smart fuel pressure regulator, and tons of other stuff.
Nice. Well, 1,000 horsepower, that's what most of the people simply care about. But let's talk about other mods to make it, to keep it all on track. So we have BC Racing coilovers, from what I can see. K-Sport big brake kit. What's with the pads? Which pads are you running?
They are Paget RSL29.
Nice, that's something I'm happy about. So on the front, the tires are Pilot Sport 5s in 255 18s, and on the back we have AR1s. So definitely extra grip is definitely preferred. We have also bigger brake kit on the rear. That's also nice. Is there any specific reason why I went for different tires?
The distributor from the US with K-Sport had pulled out, and it was a whole nightmare trying to get the brake calipers, but then they could get them, but they couldn't give me the actual hub for the handbrake. So that's why I ended up having to go for a Woolwood.
I mean the tires, you have Michelin in the front.
Yeah,
and then...
Well, when I had semi-slicks in the front, the car was just all over the road when they hit sand and water. So, and an idea where they would obviously prefer some
okay.
stuff,
All right.
just too dangerous.
Makes sense. Let's see how it handles. Usually on the track it also ends up being quite an interesting experience, but maybe this one's going to be not too bad, because for once I haven't done a lap yet. I'm about to hop in and figure it out. So this is going to be like an actual proper drive. Carbon wing. Okay, well, let's hop in and do a lap. I'm very curious and excited. Woohoo. Okay, point 1, I hope I will not forget my card. Point 2, I hope we're gonna survive. Car has no ABS, no ESC, no traction control. Locking up the front. I found a friend. I want to say a quick hello. The squeaking in the back is kind of annoying, but
nice car. What's the retail on one of those?
So it should have 1,000 horsepower. Okay, off we go. Problem is like really no ABS on these tires on the front. It really needs to have proper semi-slicks. Yeah, it's already locking up. So yeah, the brakes is not gonna be ideal. I wonder how much power it has now on pump gas, because this is of course not 1,000. Still interesting. The steering is super light. I mean, it's the second time I drive a Supra. I've been a few times a passenger in it, you know. It's sort of a case of never meet your heroes. Oh no. Because what many people forget, these cars were built as a GT car, not really a race car. So this means it's big, comfortable, soft suspension, quite heavy. So for a track car, it's not the ideal. Oh, there is no yellow anymore. Okay. Ah, there it's yellow. Look, but the lights are off. Alright, well. In any case, it's not the ideal recipe for a race car. Therefore, although you can put lots of horsepower in it, on track it's going to be, yeah, not ideal to handle. So you have lots of power, but yeah, racetracks are about handling. So it's something that you're being reminded of in a quite a harsh way once you get into it. Off we go. I think we lost the boost pipe. Because I heard something pop and that's it. Sayonara. Well, unfortunate. Yeah, I think that's kind of it. Or, yeah, there's a boost leak. Sad. Oh well. Guess we continue cruising up boost then. Gearbox is nice and rough. Right now, whatever power we're running is the perfect amount of horsepower to match the chassis. No ABS, the scrapings. So yeah, chilling. And we can catch up with the GT3 RS and have a cool down. You know what I realized? I totally forgot to put on my gloves. That's why the boost pipe came off. Oh, they're actually resurfacing today. That's good. That's nice. Yeah, I mean they have to because we have NLS in 2 days. We cannot have like yellow flag throughout here. was unfortunate to miss the boost. I just looked at the odometer. The car has 281,735 kilometers, so close to 300,000, which is normal for such a car. It means it's been used properly, but you can hear everything is loose. The structural rigidity is really not there anymore. So I think maybe it was good that the boost pipe came off, because I mean, again, we couldn't really push it on track to the way that to keep those ponies all on the ground. So yeah, of course a bit sad that we didn't have the full power, that the chassis was not matching the power, that the boost pipe came off. Ah, it's red flag. I wonder why. Well, at least we made it. So there's that. Yeah, Supras, known for great horsepower amounts and great straight line acceleration and on the street and everything. But outside of drag racing, I have yet to find and remember a proper track car. This was not built as a track car. I'm just speaking out loud, because even the Super GT cars, like the famous Castrol Supra, it was not 1JZ. It was a 4-cylinder, I think, or what was it? It was something else. It was not big and lumpy. So yeah. Of course, in Time Attack world, here and there you had some Supras, but yeah, it's a GT car. You drive it on the road, hopefully with some AC. This one I didn't bother turning it on, so it's blowing hot air at me as well. Should have just like switched it off completely, like here, low. Yeah, that's all there is to it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the lap. At least the first couple of corners when we still had the boost, which was also no 1,000. Wouldn't know how much it was, but ciao ciao. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Bye bye.